Seeds of Purpose, Episode 2, Nurturing Your Seeds of Purpose. Title, A Journey of Self-Discovery. Intro. Welcome back to Seeds of Purpose. I'm Willem, and today's episode we're going to explore the journey of self-discovery and how we can nurture the seeds of purpose within us. Segment 1. What is self-discovery? Self-discovery is the process of understanding who we are, what we value, and what we truly want in life. It's about peeling back the layers to reveal our authentic selves. Reflection question. To kick things off, I invite you to reflect on these questions. What activities bring you joy? When do you feel next most alive? Segment 2. The role of experiences. Our experiences shapes us. From childhood memories to pivotal moments in adulthood, each experience contributes to our understanding of purpose. Segment 3. Practical steps to nurture the seeds of purpose. Journaling. Number 1, journaling. Write down your thoughts and feelings regularly. These practices can help you uncover patterns and insights about what truly matters to you. Mindfulness and meditation. Take time to be still and listen to your inner voice. Mindfulness can help clarify what your heart desires. Seek feedback. Talk to friends or mentors about your passion. Sometimes others can see our strength more clearly than we can. Segment 4. Overcoming challenges. Self-discovery isn't always easy. We may encounter self-doubt or fear of judgment. Encouragement. Remember, it's okay to struggle. Embracing vulnerability can lead to significant growth. Segment 5. Conclusion and call to action. As we conclude today's episode, encourage you to take one small step toward nurturing your seed of purpose this week. Whether it's journaling, trying something new, or sharing thoughts with someone who trusts every action. Outro. Thank you for turning into Seeds of Purpose. If this episode resonates with you, please subscribe, share, and leave a review. Together, let's continue this journey of self-discovery and growth. Until next time, keep nurturing those seeds.